Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. I'm really happy to have you in this video today. I'm very glad you choose this video over other videos, because in this particular video I'm going to show you something that you are going to learn today and will be forever grateful you did. In this video in Legit Ideas TV, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can be able to recover your Metamask wallet. Now, after watching this video, you no longer be afraid of losing your funds in the wallet or losing the wallet as a whole, because in this video I'm going to guide you how to recover your Metamask wallet. So stay put in this video with us in Legit Ideas TV. If you have not yet subscribed, please do that now. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel now. Thank you. Now in this video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can be able to recover your Metamask wallet. What is the step? It's very simple. It's a very simple procedure which you can take and be able to recover it with ease and for free. The first thing you have to do is go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store and download the Metamask application. Go and download it. If you don't have it yet, you download it. If you already have it, no problem. Now you click on open to open the wallet. So when you click on open and you successfully open your Metamask wallet, seems mine is delaying, let me pass this process. Then you now put your password or your PIN to be able to open the wallet. If you already set everything, if you have not already created an account, we have a video we made on how to open a Metamask wallet, how to create a Metamask wallet account. So if you don't have an account yet, please head over to that video in this YouTube channel. You are going to see the video on how to create one for yourself if you don't have one already. Now if you already have one, or you have successfully watched that video, you have created one for yourself, now you want to recover a lost wallet, now you can continue with the next steps. Now once you have successfully opened your wallet, you want to recover the wallet, click on this settings icon at the bottom right. Now click on security and privacy. Click on, watch my arrow and the things I'm using to indicate what I'm showing you. Click on security and privacy. Now when you click on this, is where you can be able to see your security phrase. Now in this place you can be able to see your secret phrase, because it is the phrase that you can be able to use to recover the wallet when lost. So click on review secret recovery phrase. Click on it. It's going to show you, say get started. Now answer these questions. Can't help you is the answer to this first one. Tick can't help you, because if you lose your secret phrase, they cannot help you. Now the next question, continue. You are being scammed. Yes, click you are being scammed. If anybody asks you for your phrase, you are being scammed. So don't give anybody this phrase, because if anybody gets this phrase you're going to show you how to get in this video, the person can recover your wallet in his own phone, and that means you'll be scammed. Now you can continue to the next step. Now having done this, you can now put your password. You'll be prompted to put your password. My phone security hid this screen so that you can't see my password, so sorry about that. It's automatic, artificial intelligence. So having done that, okay, I've put my password, so click on continue. Now hold to review SRP. Hold that blue icon. Don't remove your hand for like 5 seconds. It is going to, after holding your hands, it's going to show you SRP. There means secret recovery phrase or security recovery phrase. Now on this page, your 12 or 24 secret recovery phrase will show. It will show. I can't show you mine, because if I show you mine on this screen now, I'm displaying my security phrase and someone else can use it to hack my Metamask or recover it in another phone. So on this phrase they are going to show, you can now copy it. You can now peacefully copy your security phrase in this page. You look at each and every one of them. You can also back them up to Google Drive. You can also use the Google Drive feature to back it up to Google Drive. Make sure you write it on a hard copy. Don't just screenshot it and save in your phone. What if you lost the phone or someone gets access to your phone and see it? So once you have done that, you now click, you can now exit it. Now another thing is also another way you can recover your wallet is through the private key. If you cannot use security phrase, you can also use private key. So scroll down this page and click on show private key. Now with this private key, you can be able to recover your Metamask wallet. So click on show private key. I hid my private key so it won't show. Now once you click on this show private key, it will show your private key. Now having done that, you copy the private key, you click on continue, and you are done with this. So I'm pretty sure in this video you have learned how you can be able to recover your Metamask wallet with ease. So you have been able to recover your Metamask wallet. Now when you want to click, you can create a new wallet. You can simply import or add existing wallet. So with this security phrase and this private key, you can be able to recover your Metamask wallet on any phone, on any device, even if you lose your phone. So I hope you've learned something great from this video. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to this YouTube channel before you leave. Please click that subscribe button. Please click that subscribe button. Thank you very, very much. We hope to see you in our other videos. We have a lot of insightful videos we have loaded in this channel that you can't miss, including how you can be able to recover a lost Trust Wallet account and many other things, including airdrops and other things outside the crypto space. Don't forget to come back next time. We appreciate your views. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.